Hey there, food lovers! Ready to spice up your life? Today I'm counting down the top 10 must-try spices from around the globe. Let's dive in. Number 10, saffron, known as the gold of spices. This vibrant red thread, mainly from Iran, adds a luxurious aroma and beautiful golden color to your dishes. Perfect for paella, risotto, and even tea. Number 9, sumac, a hidden gem from the Middle East. Sumac brings a tangy, lemony flavor to salads and meats. Sprinkle it over grilled fish or mix it into your favorite dressing. Your taste buds will thank you. Number 8. Smoked paprika. This spice from Spain can transform any dish with its smoky, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor. Use it in stews, soups, or as a rub for meats. It's a game changer. Number 7. Star anise. This star-shaped spice from China is not just pretty, but packs a punch with its strong licorice flavor. Ideal for soups, stews, and even desserts. A little goes a long way. Number 6. Garam masala, a fragrant blend of spices from India. It's the heart of many Indian dishes, adding warmth and complexity. Try it in curries, soups, or even sprinkle over roasted veggies. Number 5. Za'atar, a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. This blend of herbs, sesame seeds, and sumac can be used as a seasoning or a dip with olive oil and bread. It's versatile and delicious. Number 4. Berbere. This Ethiopian spice blend is fiery and full of flavor. Use it in stews, lentil dishes, or as a rub for meats. It's a must-try for heat lovers. Number 3. Turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color and health benefits, this spice from India adds a warm, earthy flavor to curries, soups, and even smoothies. It's a health booster you can't miss. Number 2. Ras el hanout, a complex spice mix from North Africa. It's aromatic and slightly spicy, perfect for tagines, couscous, or even roasted meats. It's like a flavor journey in every bite. And finally, number 1. Cumin. This ancient spice is used worldwide. Its warm, earthy flavor is essential in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern cuisines. Use it in chili, rice dishes, or even sprinkle over roasted vegetables. There you have it. 10 incredible spices to elevate your cooking. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty content. Thanks for watching.